I'm Shelley Henderer. I am co-owner with my husband Dave and design manager at Henderer Design Build.
My name is Dave Henderer, co-owner with my wife Shelley.
Henderer Design Build was started by Dave and his dad and a brother back in 1994. It started as a handyman business doing fencing, roofing in the summer when his dad, who was a teacher, had some time off.
When we started the business, it was my dad, one of my brothers, and I. We had no vision, really. We just, we'll do carpentry and people will call us and we'll go do work. And that was pretty much what we did.
My name is Ted Isler. I work as the estimator here at Henderer Design Build, and I've been with them for about 27 years. 27 years at Henderer, I've seen a lot of growth and just change, obviously, from kind of the mom and pop business to a full-blown actual company.
Somewhere in the first 5 to 10 years, I don't remember when, I screwed up my shoulder playing basketball, actually. It kind of got me thinking like, the idea of just physically doing the work for the next X number of years is, without another injury, is probably not too realistic.
We evolved into the business we are today just through a lot of hard work, a lot of School of Hard Knocks learning.
So my name is Olivia Henderer. I am the marketing director and design assistant here at Henderer Design and Build. I'm Dave and Shelley's youngest daughter, so I'm the second generation.
My name is Caleb Henderer. I'm the son of Dave and Shelley Henderer, and I am the office assistant at Henderer Design Build.
So my name is Riley. I'm the eldest of the Henderer children, and I'm a project designer here at Henderer Design Build. I was the first kid that came on board. Took a few years for my siblings to come on too, but it's been really fun actually with all of them too. It's interesting working with your parents for a little while, but we've all kind of figured out our niches and how to work together.
Creating harmony in the business with family members is more difficult than with team members. It's easier to sometimes be too honest with your family members. You know, you tend to not sugarcoat things, but I think it's been really good. I think we all have sort of this understanding that we need to be open with each other and not leave anything on the table. We have to work through every little blip that comes up.
We promote family harmony by dealing with the problems head on.
The ideal, like, just check your ego at the door. Think about other people before you think of yourself. You know, what you're about to say or what you're about to do, how is so-and-so gonna take that?
We want to fix things. If there's a conflict, if there's something going on between two people, if there's a disagreement, it's not a you versus me. It's how can we figure this out and keep moving forward, because we're all going to be here a long time.
I think I like to just hit it head on and be like, hey, come on, let's get in the room together and talk. And our mission statement is kind of three-legged. It's happy employees, thrilled clients, profitable projects, and in that order.
My name is Brianna Duran. I'm an architectural designer at Henderer.
And my name is Anna Bishop, and I'm interior designer at Henderer Design Build.
I appreciate the leadership here at Henderer because they're always open to having conversations about processes, about things that aren't going well, things that are going well, having kind of open discussions about what our team should look like going forward.
What I like about working for a family-oriented business is the fact that they help us also maintain our family type obligations, and it brings the great work-life balance.
Having won the Family Harmony Award is really exciting for me. I think we work a lot on our communication and really being not only a family at work, but good coworkers and good examples for everyone here. It really means that our hard work is paying off and being recognized, and we're really proud of that.
Having won the Family Harmony Award actually means a lot to, I think, all of us. It's been something that I think all of us can be really proud of.